ధనుంజయ నమే పార్థాస్తి కర్తవ్యం త్రిశులోకేషు కించన నానవాప్త నవాప్తవ్యం వర్త ఏవచ కర్మణి. It's not just my story. It's the story of everyone who tries even after failing. It's your story. It's not easy to try again after failing, but if you're trying, then tap your back, buddy. You are doing the right thing. When the first light of tomorrow arrives, it will be my last exam. But my mind is still stuck in yesterday, caught on the sound of a motorcycle. The mechanic was trying to start it, and I stood there watching. From that moment, I don't really know what happened during the day until I found myself bringing the bike home. I rebuilt this motorcycle 3 times. The first time, I felt I could dismantle it like any other bike, but back then I didn't know that without hammering, I couldn't dismantle it. When I was 19, I used to think that dismantling the bike itself was the biggest task, but later I realized that finding spare parts for vintage bikes is actually much harder. For a few months, I kept trying every day on Facebook and OLX, messaging on every post I could find. In the end, I somehow managed to place orders from 3 different states. It took 6 months, but I finally rebuilt the engine. After all that effort, I thought I could at least enjoy riding it for a few days. I always felt happy when it rained. I never thought there would be a day when rain would actually make me feel bad. But when the bearings got damaged because of an engine facing fault, I realized that no matter how hard we try, sometimes things just don't cooperate. Second time, I was so happy. I even took to the god of the 7 hills, but in the end, I failed again because of a gearbox issue. You would think I tried again right away, but I didn't. I just left the bike on the road and let it rust. I accept that I had failed. Then my brother told me, real victory lies in trying, so change the meaning of your defeat into a win. I will change my thought of defeat.